After following one baby virgin, Elijah no go them. What God cannot do does not exist. Fooling you from 100 days, 3 months. For 100 days, 3 months is gone now. You did 100 days fasting. Only 100 days when you can. What is that? And go see here. This is the reason why your pastors are doing crusade every day. This is the reason why you are hearing fire, fire, fire in your family, fire in your business, fire in your landlord, fire in your tenant, fire anywhere they are, fire in your head, fire anywhere they come from, fire, 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 fire. La, 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 la. Begin to pray. Anyway, very soon they will start their useless prayer. Odeshi, or Ideshi, when reality hits again. And those your pastors are telling Odeshi, they never practice Odeshi on themselves, so they use Mopos. That's your pastor is arranging Odeshi program for you. Cannot go visit in December without using enough Mopo, well sophisticated Mopos. That's your pastor now programming you to believe in Odeshi. Oh, they have programmed you from January to this December. Program for program. Program from program. One day, what you don't achieve, you don't dare reach. Are you richer than the whole Easterners? If you have a Jesus whom you have been worshipping from one program to another, from one adoration to another, from one Odeshi to another, from January to December, and that Jesus cannot make you to be richer than the whole Western Easterners, okay? You have poor mentality. After following one baby virgin, Elijah no go them. What God cannot do does not exist. Fooling you from 100 days, 3 months. For 100 days, 3 months is gone now. You did 100 days fasting. Only 100 days when you can. If you're among of those who did 100 days fasting this year, raise up your hands. I want to see you. Now, they have controlled your mindset for complete 3 months in name of 100 days program. And after the 100 days program, who received the real miracle? The person you contributed money, massive number, and give to. And that is what our ancestors told you. And you call 1 million or both. Understand? Ona you call 1 million new for your both of an aki. Where your name here go? Here is it. Now they have programmed me for complete 3 months. After that, they fix another program for 2 months. That is 5 months. After that, they fix another one for 2 months. And you attended all those programs from 2025 to end of this 2025, and you are not richer than the whole Easterners. You'll be mogul. Sure, you'll be complete mogul. Go out there and hustle for yourself. Men on the street, because I'm talking to you in Cambodia, men are in the street in Indonesia, hustling day and night. Go to China, go to Vietnam, go to Malaysia, men are on the street. Hustling. You hear they shout fire, fire, fire. Fire doesn't work. If you want to see fire, put a fuel and lighten it up. You see fire. So the greatest Odeshi you will do for yourself during this December period is what? Driving carefully. If you bought a bus, if the driver is running so mad, because a lot of them will try to cover at least 5 or 10 trips. Understand? A lot of them will try to cover at least 5 to 10 trips. Understand? So, if you bought a driver who is running like a mad person, please, JJ, come down. And I want to advise you, sometimes if you want to enter public bus, please check the tires. Okay? As in there for your house, now so in there for another person's house. Understand? Some of you now who might think that you are finding yourself in difficult condition, you cannot board the aeroplane from Lagos to East. Yeah, it is possible that you can also have air crash, right? That is just neutral, normal thing. But I'm just telling you something. If you want to board the bus, at least check the tires. Sometimes check it by yourself. Check if the tires still have teeth. Because some of the drivers that will be doing management, hey, let me just deliver this one trip, I will go and buy tire. From Lagos to the tire will burst. And that's them to walk up. Secure the life of your family. Secure your life. No, Jesus is there to save you. I have won Christianity hands down in our society. I place a bet before them. Provide somebody here that was bankrupt, they run away. Provide somebody here that was blind, they run away. I'm doing this video in our hospital. We came here to see some of our patients under emergency. We are saving lives. Lives are being saved here, practical. And you are there. Jida can see people. I'm walk we go and I go today. So now no man gonna wear. We bought drugs worth of 500,000 plus today. Just today. They just brought it this evening. The company we are buying drugs, they just brought it this evening. 500,000 plus. And they think that it's animals that will inject those drugs to. It's human being, like me and you. Those who are producing this medicine don't want you to produce it. That is why they manipulate you to believe that Jesus can heal disease. Now, instead of you promoting science, research to produce medicine in order to cure people, so you can generate money from it and use it to employ your people. No, you are no longer thinking to solve a problem. You are thinking how Jesus will solve a problem. Point a gun on the front head of a black man, ask him who will solve the problem of Africa. We'll call God. He will tell you, saying a God. You know? He will tell you, saying a God. I want to ask you as a blessing, is there any God that loves you? The kind of life you are living as a black person, do you think there is God somewhere preparing something good for you? As a black person, look at our life. Those living in Lagos, traffic everywhere. I visited Alaba. I was thinking that Alaba would look like heaven. Alaba, no place to call a place, a business place there. Pot everywhere. In the street of Ihua, Alaba of all Africa. Pot everywhere. Unless they have tied the road now. During rainy season, I visited Alaba this year. Where as a black person now, do you think you have a God somewhere who loves you so much more than Dubai citizen? Or you think you have a God you can use to qualify God of Dubai? How for you? You know the reason at all. So in your heart now you can beat your chest and say, I have a great God who is bigger than God of Saudi Arabia, and your condition there like this as in Nigeria. No light, nothing is working. The solar we are using today is made in China. You produce nothing. You produce nothing. I'm asking you, just as a black person, the situation we found ourselves in this country, do you really believe that you have a God that loves you so much, and this God is great and bigger than Malaysia God? Is that God that is sleeping? Is he asleep? That your God must be sleeping. Because when you go to Saudi Arabia, you see that 85% of medical doctors there are from Africa. Saving lives in Saudi Arabia. And there is no Saudi Arabia person who is a medical doctor today in your village. Your brother who studied medicine left your home empty and moved to Saudi Arabia to save their lives. And Saudi Arabia gave you a God that will save you in Africa. If they don't chop you, they don't chop you. If Christianity chop you, they don't chop you. My beloved sister, my beloved brother, come, let us bring your sense of reasoning back. If they chop you, they don't chop you. 80% of medical doctors today in Saudi Arabia are Ndigo, not even from Africa, Ndigo. A lot of my friends, medical doctors, are in South Africa. A lot are still looking for a way to travel out. What makes them to leave your village and go and be treating Saudi Arabia citizens? Is it because Saudi Arabia have Jesus? No. The same thing that make a practicing medical doctor who was trained with the resources that came from our land here in order to save lives in our community. What makes that person to leave our community, abandon it empty, and move to Saudi Arabia, a country that does not have the same faith and color with him? It's still the same thing that are making your pastors to be manipulating you to believe that Jesus is working. The same power that moved a graduate, a medical doctor who studied medicine here, moved him out of our land, and he traveled to a community which has no DNA, which have no connection with in Saudi Arabia. The same thing that moved him out of our land here is the same thing that is making your pastor to be conducting crusade for you every week. What is that? And go see here. This is the reason why your pastors are doing crusade every day. This is the reason why you are hearing fire, fire, fire in your family, fire in your business, fire in your landlord, fire in your tenant, fire anywhere they are, fire in your head, fire anywhere they come from, fire, 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 fire. La, 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 la. Begin to pray. Anywhere they are, you call la 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 la. Oh Lord, have mercy. 100 days fasting. Oh yeah, la 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 la. Yeah. Rekrabala balaba. Ele pa. Yeah la 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 la. Begin to pray. Now because of this, na money. They know if the ginger you finish it or drop. Not one you away for here my power. You see? Now money, now the same money make your brother from Anambra where studying medicine, where they use Anambra resources to train. He don't abandon Anambra, go the render in service to Saudi Arabia person where no sabi speak Igbo, talk more of Anambra. So many people from Saudi Arabia today cannot mention any village from Anambra or any local government from Anambra. 99.9% of Saudi Arabia don't know the name called Anambra, talk more of the name of the villages or communities in Anambra unless they go to Google. But our brothers are there, working in their hospital. But who are you waiting to save you, God of Israel? Anorom nine nyego. Anorom nine nyego. Anorom nine nye. Nwachukwu wenye ga icho ka Jesu gozie, ka gozie ndoka scam. Mgbe na direction. Nwikugo wenere Chukwu ego ahụ enu, fere ya Chukwu. Ihe jasi gị fere ya Chukwu na chọọsụ ka na afiko onyinye afiko. So abezasi gị fere Chukwu, fere ya n'enu. Elijah Enugu bụ guy, I swear. One you guy, but some ma bia Enugu ma bia kwọ gị n'aka.